pray again for, look, aircraft. I don't know. The Satan is so much in the air. So much is going on in the air. This is air crash. I think engineers, mechanics, they need to be checking their aircraft before they depart. Even here, they must be checking. I pray that this kind of message will reach people. So, the devil is targeting now just to kill people in the air. It's targeting those ones. Let us pray.
Just as the man of God has prophesied, you can see such kind of incidents are already happening. This just happened 6 days ago in Somalia. So as the man of God have said, he wished this message can spread all over the world so that men can stand. Good morning wherever you are. When a prophet speaks, we ought to listen and to stand on the watches of the Spirit. But be encouraged, as God is a rescuer, as he indeed involved in this incident.